explosive precision, drones that terrify. Ukraine's FPV drones are revolutionizing warfare, shredding tanks and dominating viral feeds. But are these $500 tech marvels really game changers, and is Russia's counter-tech outpacing them? Welcome to TechHub, where we unpack the future of tech, this time in the heart of war. Ukraine's first-person view drones, FPVs, are doing just that. Pilots strap on VR goggles, flying these agile drones like sci-fi snipers, weaving through trees to obliterate targets. Costing just $500, they've wrecked hundreds of Russian tanks worth millions. Viral clips from Ukraine's 92nd Brigade show FPVs vaporizing T-90s. But let's dive deeper. Is this tech truly flipping the battlefield? Ukraine's all in on drone tech, churning out 4 million drones a year, with over 1 million FPVs hitting the front lines by late 2024. These gadgets are cheap, precise, and lethal, ideal for outsmarting Russia's bigger army. X posts rave about FPVs as a tech revolution, with pilots boasting, "We strike where missiles can't." NATO says FPVs took out 60–70% of Russian armor in key 2024 battles, and they're even downing scout drones to blind enemy artillery. Now hold up, Russia's not just watching. Their drone tech is scaling up fast. They're producing 1.2 to 1.4 million FPVs a year, and their Prince Vandal drone uses fiber optic cables to laugh off Ukraine's jammers. Russian electronic warfare is brutal, zapping signals and crashing Ukrainian drones. X posts from Arbyuka Review claim Russia's downing 145 Ukrainian drones in short bursts, tanking their hit rate to 10–15% in some areas. That's next-level counter-tech. So, are Ukraine's FPVs scaring Russia? Absolutely. They're a battlefield nightmare. Viral videos show Russian troops bolting from Drone Alley, with FPVs chasing them into bunkers. The psychological edge is unreal, nowhere safe. But Russia's counter-drones are terrifying too. Their Dobrynya jamming system fries signals, and FPV interceptors hunt Ukrainian drones like predators. Foreign policy warns Russia's adapting so quickly, Ukraine's tech lead could fade. Here's the TechHub take. FPVs are game changers today, but the clock's ticking. Ukraine's DIY drone labs and crowdfunding genius keep them ahead, but Russia's counter-tech is closing the gap. Both sides are burning through drones faster than they can build them, creating a high-tech stalemate. The real race? Who masters AI drones first? That's the future we're watching. Ukraine's FPV drones are tech miracles, but Russia's counter-drones are a wake-up call. Who's winning this tech war? Tell us in the comments. Like, subscribe, and join TechHub for more cutting-edge updates.